My lord, my position ante still stands. The accused are saying, well, they would have wished to bring this section 174, but if circumstances do not permit, they will not bring it. That's their message.
They have agreed what?
They are saying they would have wished for the 174 application to be brought for them, but if circumstances do not permit, then they will go with what is not permitting. In other words, they will go with those circumstances that do not permit them to bring the 174. Otherwise, it can also be confirmed with them, my lord.
Yes.
As the court pleases, my lord, indeed so, I have also reconfirmed with Mr. Ntanzi. It is still his wish that he would like to bring the application in terms of 174, and I must do so on his behalf. With regard to the other issue, my lord, that I don't want us to ventilate it here. The stance from our instructing attorneys is that they don't see the prospects for that. But my lord, my solution will be, we'll go through back and forth. Let it be the conscience of each attorney or advocate counsel to decide, given the instructions, what they want to do. So my suggestion will be the 18th as muted by Advocate Ngumalo should be the tentative date. Whoever wants to apply and finish the written heads will be that date tentatively, and after they've been finished, then the state will be afforded some time to respond thereto, my lord. So we avoid this back and forth. Whatever still needs to be ironed, if there's anything to be ironed with the instructing attorneys, will be done within that period. But that's how far I will take it, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Ngumalo.
I tend to disagree. I tend to disagree if there's a decision that is being made. It must be made now. I've made a decision, my lord. So if one says, let us see on the 18th, I've made a decision, a conscious decision, that I'll proceed on the 18th with my application. But the other issue will be the filing of the heads of arguments. I think that's the issue that we have to discuss with my learned colleague, Advocate Badoy, in terms of the filing and the responses to my heads of arguments, when one can expect them to respond.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Chololo.
My lord, I still stand by my submissions that we are not, Mr. Ntuli will not be bringing the application for discharge. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Olui.
As the court, please, we go along with the suggestion of Advocate Ngumalo that we should perhaps set out a timetable at this point for the filing of the heads. As I understand him, he foresees that he'll be finished with his heads on the 18th of August. And the 18th of August, it's...
Sorry, my lord, can I just interject, because we have arranged the dates with Mr. Advocate Ngumalo, my lord, if he can...
Which date was it?
The dates for the filing of his heads.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord, if
when?
you can just clarify for the record. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, Advocate. Sorry, my dad, sorry. Yes, thank you, my dad. I'll be ready with the filing of my heads on Friday, the 15th of August, 2025.
15th?
Yes, 15th, next week, Friday.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
My lord, once the state has received Advocate Ngumalo's head, we need approximately 3 days to file our heads. If we work on the assumption that we would have received them at least at the latest by the 18th, we will need at least, we'll be left with 4 days. We can then file our heads by the 22nd of August, and we can then agree as to when the matter will be argued.
Yeah, come with the date.
I don't know if Advocate Numala would want to file any responding papers to our heads, but if perhaps we allow 3 more days for any further responding papers from the defense side, we're looking at about maybe the 29th of August for any responding papers. And the matter can then be argued thereafter. We haven't decided on the date on which the matter will be argued, but we suggest that either the matter be argued around the between the 28th and 29th of August, subject to what my colleagues will be saying.
28th, is it okay?
My Lord, as things stands, I won't be filing any replying.
Are you only filing any?
No, we can resume on the 25th of August, 2025.
25th.
Yes, we can argue on that day, on the 25th of August, 2025.
Mr. Mnisi, what's your position?
Yeah, before Mr. Mnisi, we've heard from Mr. Ramsepele that any of the council might also consider filing heads. So I think one must also just make a provision for that, and we think the date of argument as being the 28th will make sufficient provision for everyone who might want to file any heads.
Okay, so well, the court orders then that the heads must be filed on the 15th of August. And the response, if any, should be on the 20th of August.
22nd, my lord.
Or 22nd, okay, fine. 22nd, and then the argument will be on the 22nd, 28th,
25, my lord.
25, okay. So it's, you file on the 15th of August, the response by the 22nd, and the argument on the 25th.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. It's so ordered.
Okuzokwenzeka yilo okulandelayo ukuthi nanjengoba ke abameli sebeshilo ukuthi ngeyi-15 kuyona le nyanga kuzoba ke kwiviki elizayo ngolesihlanu i-15 ke na ke August ila khona ke seshilo advocate uNxumalo ukuthi uzodlulisa ke izethulo zakhe enkantolo noma ke bonaka beshushisi base bonake kuloko azobe ekubhalileke kusona isicelo sakhe uadvocate uNxumalo bazophendula ke bona ngeyi-22 kuyona le nyanga bese kuthi ke ngazo i-25 ila khona ke manje sekuzoziwa ke enkantolo kulokho ke okubhaliwe ke phakathi kwabo abameli nabashushisi ke sekuzokhulunywa ke mayelana noma lokho ukuthi ke ama arguments khona enkantolo ngeyi-25.
Okay, is that okay?
That's it.
Sorry, my lord. I've just got one concern, my lord. If we can also just indicate the time frames as we're indicating that we'll be back on the 25th for the arguments on the application of 174. And then in the event that the application is done on the same day or on the following day, we shall then resume with the defense case.
Yeah, I've got to write a judgment, don't I have to?
Oh, that's the court business.
Okay, fine. The court, General Jen?
All right.